I'm a real upgrade. Keep it 1,000. She ain't fucking with my style, no, no. You need someone that you know ain't gon' tell. Let's scoop you up when she giving you hell. Look at me, baby. I know you see these
Snow day.
I'm gonna need y'all to not do that.
What?
I
On
am
the
not.
camera.
On the camera.
Ho that just woke up.
Oh.
And she love it. She ain't deny it, did she? Nope.
You didn't deny it either. Ma'am.
I said I love it, didn't I?
Not on camera, you didn't.
They don't
Tell
know.
them you love to be a smut.
They already know I ain't no smut.
And how you just gonna come out and say, where the hell y'all going? Really?
We minding our business. About to walk right to the store.
Just do this. Like this.
But you say ugh.
Yeah.
All hard. Ugh. Like the Uggs. Don't
Yep. Are you showing my...
Don't push me.
showing my clutteredness in the chair?
Oh, that was a person. Don't you push me. Don't you touch me. Early in the morning. My job closed, but the rest of the guards had to go in, so I knew they mad.
Wow.
Luckily I'm off. But I would have had to go in if I still had to work today. But yeah, the museum is closed. Finally, the white people can't go.
Oh.
I meant that. The white people that don't care about the weather can't go in and be like, oh, I'm glad you're still open. Like we want to be there. Anyway, no offense to the white people because my grandpop was white. But you know.
They in the snow though.
Me and my brother about to attempt to go see if the market is open. Wish us luck. We're attempting to go out in the... Oh.
Oh, don't trip right here. Don't fall.
Oh, man. I checked the mail yesterday.
Oh, there's something here now.
What?
No.
What is it?
Them.
Oh, they
Hey,
ready.
Willie came over here.
Don't fall, Chrissy. Oh, Jesus. It look like... Yo! Do you see? Look at all this snow. I gotta put my finger on. Oh, something open.
See, you're not gonna be so comfortable.
It's a blizzard.
No.
Oh!
Noah did the same thing. Almost fell too.
Oh my God. Oh my God. I almost killed myself.
Lucky I caught you.
Oh shit. Almost killed myself. You can, I'm gonna laugh too. Oh my God. Yeah. Everybody say so, just keep it going. Eggs, bacon, grits, sausage. Let it come and lick my
Sausage.
Order in sausage. Eat my cake with the motherfucking sausage.
Oh, I was trying to jump in it.
I ain't mean to say the mother. I ain't mean to say that. Oops. I'm cooking pancakes, sausage, and some eggs. You know, snow day. I'ma love you. My mom on live. They don't wanna see it happen, but we say. They don't wanna see it happen, but we say. One way or another, I'ma love it. They don't wanna see it happen, but we say. Hey yo. We supposed to be playing Michael Jackson Wii, but I don't know. But I don't know if I'm playing. Snapchat my food, but ain't cooking. Finished cooking, guys. Made my mom tried to play my sister. She was like, Gerard, the food done. You know, Shay already dug in. Pick up my plate. Yep. You already know. My mouth is still swollen a little bit, ain't it? It look like it. Yep, it's still swollen. But yeah, we about to. Why you look like that? Oh, we about to eat. It's about to be goody gumdrops. It's good, Mom. She's getting you.
It's so good, I'm about to go get another one.
Take another one.
No, Mom. Hey, Mom.
Another
Now, she want to take people. Want to put people on display.
Where the heck is my... You stole it.
What is it?
My razor. I'm not dumb because the other one was blue.
Nope, it's purple.
Either way, still close to blue.
Purple.
Just stole my stuff.
Ah.
Didn't even ask.
Stop it.
No.
Because you're not even recording. I mean, taping
We
nothing.
talking. You know what? Shut the fuck up.
Whoop her, Mom. Whoop her.
Why you gotta look like that? Vivica. You just did it too. You shut up over there. Old man, right. Old man. You forgot to drink.
Call me if you don't play with me.
Don't hurt yourself.
Shut up.
Driving no one else, put on your seatbelt. Oh, excited, but I'm my first time driving. Let me know you with it. Moving around and mindless. 'Cause you know what I wanna do. I just know I want you. But if I find you loving it, I'm telling you it will be next. Yeah. I know you got GPS. I know things ain't been right. Things ain't right.
We are chilling for the rest of the night, as you can see. I straightened my hair. Even though I'm about to take it out and do it for my birthday. My birthday is Monday coming up, March 20th. I know, right? My birthday. I'm going to be 20. I can't put up the 9. 9. 29. There we go. 29. That's what I'm going to be. Woo! And Quay's taking me to New York. So,
I talked to Caitlin. She's
Yep.
not Romney.
Yep. Huh?
I totally get it.
But,
So look what I did.
yeah, guys, my mom done left us and went upstairs. I'm about to eat. So make sure you guys thumbs up this video, comment, like, and subscribe down below. Hit the subscribe bell next to the subscribe button. For more videos from Dimples 215. I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.